For 2025, the Toyota Yaris is expected to undergo some significant updates that will appeal to both the audience and potential buyers. One of the major innovations anticipated is the advancement in electrification technology. Toyota will likely offer a more efficient hybrid option or even a fully electric model, given their commitment to electrification and reducing carbon emissions. More advanced battery technology and faster charging systems could be part of this shift, providing more practical, eco-friendly solutions for consumers. In addition, the 2025 Yaris is expected to integrate a wider range of advanced safety features. Active and passive safety systems will likely include semi-autonomous technologies such as automatic parking assist and automated driving systems in certain conditions. With the increasing focus on driving safety, Toyota could potentially add these latest features to enhance the protection of the driver and passengers. The exterior and interior design of the Yaris are also likely to undergo major changes. A more modern exterior design with sharp lines and advanced lighting technology, as well as a more luxurious and ergonomic interior, will reflect the latest design trends. Toyota may introduce premium interior materials and more functional designs to enhance comfort and aesthetics. In terms of infotainment technology, the 2025 Yaris could be equipped with a more integrated and sophisticated system, including support for 5G connectivity and over-the-air (OTA) software updates. AI systems for smarter voice assistance and improved connectivity features could provide a more interactive and up-to-date driving experience. These improvements are expected to make it easier for drivers to access vehicle information and features more easily. The estimated price for the 2025 Toyota Yaris is likely to adjust according to the technology updates and new features offered. The base model may start in the range of $20,000 to $22,000, while the hybrid or full electric variant could reach $25,000 or more, depending on the specifications and additional features included. These prices will vary depending on the market and vehicle configuration. However, the changes should reflect the increased value and technology offered by this latest model.